Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is April box charm and I'm super excited for this box. First we're gonna go one by each product that came in April's box charm. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Paula. This is my channel. Here we do reviews, everything beauty and lifestyle. If that's the kind of video that you like to watch, I welcome you to look around. I hope you like it and subscribe and stay. Join the family. First thing that we got in this box, so April box charm is theme sweet treats. And if you don't know what box charm is a monthly beauty box subscription that you pay $25 and you get this beautiful box with the 5 full-size product for around $125. And they also have other box like box premium for $35. You get up to $175 worth of product, which is fabulous too. And they have some quarter box like box locks and box pop-up, which is every quarter of the year you get a box. They all are fabulous, and I'm gonna have the link down here for BOXYCHARM. If you don't know yet, you can go and check them out, and maybe if you like, subscribe. You do. I'm very excited to every month have a little box on your doorsteps with 5 different products. And the one thing that I love about BOXYCHARM is to get to know new brands. There is so many brands that I never dream of knowing, and I got to know them through BOXYCHARM to get in product on my monthly box. And it's really nice. So many good small business, small brand that we don't know that exist, and BOXYCHARM actually is giving us the ability to find them, or them to find us, right? And the other thing that I love about BOXYCHARM too is that you can actually customize your box. You can pick and choose like a few products that you want for your box, which is nice. You know, some people like more makeup product, other people like more skincare product. So I think if you have the ability to pick and choose which is that you would like to receive, that's really nice too. So I'm talking to them today. Let's start this video so I don't get so long. Oh, and the first product that we have in April's box charm is this special palette. Natasha denona is a special made for BOXYCHARM. I'm not sure, but I don't think that you can purchase this palette anywhere else, only in BOXYCHARM. And this is Jubilee, a 5 eyeshadow palette. They are so pretty. So in the eyeshadow I'm using today, that I use to create this look, I use this one here as like a base shade. Then I use this beautiful dark green here as a transition shade, and I use this beautiful metallic like green as our lid shade. This palette is super pretty. A special edition palette created exclusively for BOXYCHARM, featuring 5 colorful, ultra pigmented shades that bring together a combination of celebration and balance between bold pastel tones. This fun palette is packed with Natasha's iconic butterfly smooth formula, made with highly quality pure color pigment, dazzling chrome, crystal, and luminous pearl. And this palette retails for $48, which is beautiful. That's the shades that I'm wearing today. I'm gonna open so you guys can see how beautiful the shades are. See how gorgeous they are. So the next product that we have here, and this is Earth Harbor Naturals Aurora Superfood Luminance Ampoule. Give your face illuminating superfood nutrition with harmonizing sea greens and cannabis sativa, hemp oil, plus pacifying grapeseed oil and neem seed extract. Serenely energized and smooth, well revealing dewy luminance. Okay, I'm super excited for this product. So I'm trying today under my foundation. It actually does make the skin very beautiful. So these serum does look like out of the box, and actually does have a little cannabis smell, like very tiny, very far, but it's there. I haven't tried other cannabis oils and I know how it smells like, but this is so beautiful. And this retails for $32. Good price for a nice serum like that. And the next product here is going to be this Dragon Beauty Dragon Fruit Color Corrector. Dragon Fire Color Corrector helps to cancel, correct, and perfect the appearance of dark circles, discoloration, and blemish. Saturate with vitamin E and vitamin A. Blends effortless and customize the light to full coverage to make it makeup look even more flawless. Apply it anywhere you'd like to correct and neutralize, and blend it with a flat concealer brush and beauty sponge. After set, apply foundation as normal. Okay, so this concealer retails for $25. I'm not using this product because I actually didn't have anything to correct, so I will try this in another video for you guys and I give you guys my thought on it, but I'm not using today. Like I said, this retails for $25. This is Dragon in the shade Lavender, like I said. Alright, and the next product here is gonna be Laura Garland Iconic Baked Sculpting Lipstick. Artisan Baked Pigment and a rich moisturizer. Saturate lip with a creamy, vibrant color that feels weightless and lasts all day. Curved bullet shape allow for a single swipe application, providing a long-lasting, high-impact wear. And this lipstick retails for $21. So let's see the shade Battery Park Bronze. Beautiful and have a beautiful texture. And I also like the applicator that hug your lips. The shade is very pretty. I'm gonna swatch here for you guys. It's like a beautiful bronze orange kind of shade that's gonna look fabulous on my skin tone. It have like a little touch of glitter in the middle, which is great for summer. So we're gonna use this in another video. This lipstick from Laura Garland retails for $21. And today's lipstick I'm using, it's not in this box, but it is from Netasha Denona, and also I got from BOXYCHARM. It's super beautiful, and this shade is Avril, I think that's what they call. It's a beautiful blush pink, which is stunning. The packaging too is so pretty, so elegant, and have a nice little magnetic. Very beautiful lipstick I'm wearing today. Stunning. Alright, so last but not least, here is this product too. I'm gonna have to try and I give you guys a feedback later. This is Terre de Mar Radiation Body Cleanser, an organic, low foaming, aromatic and soft cleanser suitable for all skin types, infused with bioactive ingredients such as coffee and rosemary extract, infused with verbena oil. Together they tone, purify and protect the skin, while aloe vera nourish and soften it. Okay, so this body cleanser is promising. Okay, so I'm gonna have to try this and give you guys my thoughts on this in another video. Alright, and this was all for April BOXYCHARM. I hope you guys enjoyed this review, and if you have any question about any of the product or BOXYCHARM, drop in the comment below and I will get back to you guys as soon as I can. And thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next video. Love you, bye.